Symptoms of global imbalance are everywhere, felt in our bodies, born into consciousness, and made visible in our relationship with nature. In our attempt to control ecologies, we've created an unnatural dynamic of excess and absence inside of ourselves and in the wild, a buildup of stressors and an erosion of natural connections. We're in the midst of a global transition, and so we must learn to move with it. The world feels like it's spinning. Finding an embodied balance takes intentionality and grounded presence, especially if you're me. The forest teaches how self-regulation might grow through co-regulation. Mycelium is an underground fungal network which carries nutrients, messages, and hydration between trees. When locally sourced, repopulating mycocultures can support accelerated forest regeneration in impacted areas while stabilizing the soil. Current forestry practices are disrupting the wood wide web, leaving forest floors overwhelmed with excess biomass. This is resulting in unprecedented fires, floods, and landslides globally. Aiming to restore the interrelations of ecosystems in transition, remnants of trees were collected from locally logged land. Future developments look to work with the local mycocultures from the areas where the biomass is harvested, reconnecting familiar friends underground and offering land stewards with means to rebuild. Creating a series of tests using the 20 to 30% of tree which remains on the forest floor after harvest allowed nature to lead the way in material production. The resulting materials are monitored for density, durability, and voraciousness of mycelial growth. Developing 100% pine biocomposites to complement the mycelial forms added durability to the design while maintaining the stool's intention of biodegradability. Designing with nature while looking to foster growth outside of a natural setting requires a very sterile environment. Hanging in the balance, fabric molds were created to be suspended, a practice also used in the farming of mushrooms. In order to reduce impacts of production, flexible molds were developed that were both reusable and reformable. The concept of balance is at the heart of this project, how we might ground our bodies and weave our production back into the interrelations of true nature.